Follow this picture. A brand new pencil, sharpened to perfection, ready to write its story. But in a twist of fate, it snaps in half. Is this the end? Not even close. This is where our tale truly begins. Have you ever felt like that broken pencil? Discarded, useless, ready to be tossed aside? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that'll change the way you see yourself and your struggles forever. Our story starts in a bustling classroom, where a young student named Emily reaches for her favorite pencil. As she begins to write, disaster strikes. The pencil snaps clean in two, leaving Emily devastated. She's about to throw both pieces away when her teacher intervenes with a knowing smile. "Wait," the teacher says, "let me show you something magical." The teacher takes the broken pencil and demonstrates how both halves can still write. Not only that, but now Emily has two pencils instead of one. The class watches in awe as the teacher explains a powerful life lesson. You see, the teacher begins, life will sometimes break you. You'll face challenges that make you feel useless, like you've lost your purpose. But remember this, being broken doesn't mean you're worthless. It means you have an opportunity to discover new strengths you never knew you had. The students lean in, captivated by the teacher's words. She continues, "Think about it. This pencil might be shorter now, but it can still write just as well. It might look different, but its core purpose remains unchanged. In fact, it can now be shared, doubling its impact." Emily's eyes light up with understanding. She realizes that the pencil's value isn't in its appearance or even in its wholeness. Its worth lies in its ability to keep writing, to keep creating no matter what. Life is a lot like this pencil, the teacher explains. We all face moments where we feel broken, where we think we've lost our edge. But those are precisely the moments that define us. It's not about staying perfectly intact. It's about how we choose to write our story, even when we're not at our best. The classroom falls silent as the students ponder this profound message. The teacher picks up both halves of the pencil and writes on the board, "Your struggles do not define your end, they define your strength." She turns back to the class. "Remember, size doesn't determine worth. Effort does. A small pencil that keeps writing is far more valuable than a long, unsharpened one that never leaves its box. Don't let your setbacks convince you that you're not good enough. Instead, let them sharpen your resolve." Emily looks at her broken pencil with new eyes. She realizes that she too can choose to keep writing her story no matter what obstacles she faces. The teacher concludes with a powerful message. Life will test you. It will push you to your limits and sometimes even break you. But that's not the end of your story. It's just the beginning of a new chapter. Your resilience, your determination to keep going, that's what truly matters. As the bell rings and the students prepare to leave, there's a palpable shift in the room. They've learned a lesson far more valuable than any textbook could teach. They've discovered the power of resilience, the importance of effort, and the true meaning of strength. Emily carefully places both halves of her pencil in her pencil case. She knows now that she'll never look at a broken pencil the same way again. More importantly, she'll never look at her own struggles the same way either. So the next time you feel broken, remember the lesson of the pencil. You may be shorter, you may look different, but you still have the power to write your story. Your struggles haven't defined your end. They've just revealed your incredible strength. In the end, it's not about being unbreakable. It's about being unstoppable. Because like that broken pencil, you too can turn your setbacks into comebacks. You too can prove that it's not how you look, but how you write your story that truly matters. Remember, life isn't about staying perfectly sharp. It's about keeping your core strong and continuing to make your mark on the world no matter how many times you've been broken. So pick up your pieces, find your purpose, and start writing the next amazing chapter of your life. After all, the most beautiful stories often come from the most unexpected places, even from a simple broken pencil.